So, welcome to another episode of the Coffee Conversation Show powered by the Emerging India Forum, TIF, and our tech partner, Prime Infotech Solution. Today's series is Sri Shakti. Theme is Pioneer Image Consulting, Building Powerful Personal Brands. So, this is another enlightening episode of Sri Shakti where we celebrate the strength and achievements of inspiring women. Today's guest speaker is Rutuja Kantak, founder and head image consultant at Rutuja's Image Consulting. She has over 18 years of experience from various fields like IT. She is helping professionals and business owners create powerful personal brands. So let's dive into this conversation on exploring image consulting, discovering how she helps individuals to look elegant, feel powerful, and create success stories. So, welcome, Rutuja, to this episode of Sri Shakti at Coffee Conversation Show.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me for the conversation. Thank you, Amir.
Yeah. So, let me explain you the format, Rutuja. Just know about the professional, personal, but there is a third round also. That is a rapid fire round.
Okay.
You have to answer your questions quickly, wittily, and you will get this ebook authored by me. I'm author of 12 ebooks, so
Great.
signed, autographed by me. So, friends, I'm Lion Amber Virani over here, your host and legal tech evangelist at Prime Infotech Solution. So, your first question, Rutuja.
Yeah.
What motivated you to transition from IT to image consulting?
Yes. So when I was working in IT, initially I worked as on the job. So basically I was working with a company. Then I started my own journey as a freelancer. When I started my journey as a freelancer, first thing people actually ask me about how you started. So they were more interested knowing me, my experience as a person. And then आपकी सर्विसेज है या बाकी सारी चीजें हैं that comes later. So first people want to know who is the person who is going to give me the service. They need a trustworthy person. They need a credibility. That person, they look for the credibility also. So this is something actually helped me or led me towards knowing more about personal brand. So initially जब मैं इसमें आई थी उसके पहले I worked on my personal brand because I started freelancing और उस time I started in 2007 actually. So freelancers के लिए that was very crucial, I can say. No one was really willing to work with freelancers at that time. So I need to establish myself as a trustworthy person, and that is the reason why I explore more about personal branding कि मुझे लोग कैसे जाने. And that is the reason I got something like image consulting, which is again totally new concept. I did I did take some of these sessions at 2015 actually. So 2007 to 2015, I was struggling with my personal brand and struggling with how I can present myself or how I can keep myself effective while I communicate with people or my clients. So in 2015, I got something about image consulting. I took some sessions for me to create my personal brand. And जब वो हुआ, people actually started noticing me. So my existing client also started noticing me और वो मुझे बोलने लगे, कुछ तो change है. Have you worked on something? So these actually lead me to explore more into image consulting. And then I did my certification and my journey started from there.
Wow, interesting journey. So my next question will be Rutuja. How does your background in psychology is helping you in your image consulting work, dealing with business owners as well as professionals?
Yes. So psychology is something which actually everyone deal with, knowingly or unknowingly. When we say कि I am building my personal brand, तो हम लोग खुद पहले सोचते हैं कि मेरा ब्रांड कैसा होना चाहिए. That thought process is taking you somewhere. So whatever image you have or inhibitions you have in your mind, it is related to your psychology only. So there actually my psychology graduation is helping me to know more client, means know more about my client. मेरे client क्या सोचते हैं, खुद के बारे में कैसे महसूस करते हैं, how they want other people to perceive them. Everything starts with their mindset. So that mindset, understanding that mindset and then giving the solution as an image consultant is very important as per me. Just because कि आई एम एन इमेज कंसल्टेंट और मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि हाँ ये कल से आपको ऐसे कल से आपको प्रेजेंट होना हो, इट इज नॉट गिविंग दैट दैट ट्रस्ट टू द क्लाइंट. सो एवरी टाइम माय क्लाइंट नीड्स समथिंग लॉजिकल, और वो लॉजिकल रीजनिंग है या लॉजिकल थिंकिंग है, वो ग्रेजुएशन मेरे साइकोलॉजी ग्रेजुएशन से मुझे मिलती है, which help me to help my client to think on particular way.
Okay. So now coming to my next question, Rutuja, what are the key components for a personal brand or unique individual brand?
So key component is mainly, first, as I said, ki how you think yourself, what exactly you want to present, how you want to present, how you want people to perceive. आपके बारे में लोग क्या सोचेंगे या सोचने वाले, ये you need to first figure out. So psychologically or mindset wise, you need to very much clear about what you want to give, or what you, how you want to present yourself effectively. And then there are other keys which help you to define or help you to create your image or individual brand. Is one is your appearance, because everyone actually sees you, they understand you, and then maybe they will continue with the conversation. So your appearance management, your grooming management, the way you communicate. So communication, these are some keys I can say, which actually help a person to create their unique individual brand.
Very good. Thank you for the tips. Now, what role does color analysis play in helps image consultant?
So color analysis is one part of entire image management service, I can say. Colors definitely play a very important role in our wardrobe or in our surroundings also. Now monsoon start हो रहा है, हर जगह पे अभी हरियाली दिखेगी हमें. So that greenery will definitely help us to feel good about the nature, right? This is how colors अफेक्ट यू इन वेरियस वे. अगर हमारे आजू बाजू जो भी कुछ कलर्स है वो हमारे ऊपर साइकोलॉजिकली भी अफेक्ट करते हैं. सो इफ आई वांट माय पर्सन और माय क्लाइंट feel good about me or feel they should feel ki okay, she is the authoritative person or authentic person, then some colors are there which will help me to be authoritative or to be authentic in my role. So these are the colors which actually you can use in your attire, your accessories, even a lady in your accessory, in your makeup, everywhere. So the colors play important role in your overall presence. So color is one of the part of your image building or image overall image. But yeah, yes, that is important aspect of your presence, because people unknowingly read about you through the colors you are using for your attire, for your makeup, for your accessory, everywhere, even for your furniture, everywhere. Colors are everywhere. So they actually represent you in a better way.
Wow. So, we're going to go some memory down a lane where you have come across a success story with a client from business owner or a professional who has approached you to revamp his unique individual brand, his personal brand. So, what steps did you go with him, and what was the transformation which came up?
So You want me to share the success story with the steps I help the person? Okay, okay. So one of my client who was working with financial banking, so he was in a leadership position. He was there as a leader, but so when he approached me, he said, "Ki, okay, I want to look old." So first thing where I started working on him is his thought process. I help him to understand that okay, looking old is not the solution, but looking mature is the solution, and that maturity comes obviously through your thought process first, and then the way you present. So few things we actually worked. I discussed with him कि okay, what are exactly the experiences he had while he approached to the clients or his colleagues in the bank. So some experiences he shared, and through those experiences, I came to know that it is not because of his age or because of he is too young looking. Where obviously looking young is very good actually. No, people want to look young, but here the person was ki, okay, I don't want to you look young because people are not taking me seriously. So this thought process actually I worked on him first कि okay, you need to think कि okay, you need to present mature and not a older one like. And then gradually I check her existing wardrobe. I check her nahi, his. I checked his existing wardrobe. I checked his routine life, how he select his appropriate dressing as per the meetings or regular dressing when he is in the office. What are the colors again he is using? So some colors I suggested him while he was actually having some important meeting. Some colors I suggested when he is having some regular routine work in the office. And some colors which are a casual colors for him. So whenever he is going out for some dinner or lunch with the colleagues or some friends, etc., what are the colors he should use while he is going out? So color analysis actually we did. Then body shape structure analysis is another thing which actually we did, because what you wear, while you wearing something, it is very important you consider your body shape also. So body shape, body structure, you need to understand. I make him realize ki, okay, this is your body shape, this is your body structure. So accordingly, you need to adopt or you need to select the dressing or outfits. And we actually had a shopping session also with him, because telling you here कि okay, आप जाके ये लेके आओ और आप जाके वो select करो. Shopping session is very easy for me to help my clients understand these are the type of dressing you need to select for your meetings. These are the type of dressing you need to select for your regular routine work. So showing some outfits there will be very much convenient for me as well as my client to understand कि okay, this is the color she was talking about, rather than me telling you कि okay, blue color आप पहनो. Showing the shade of blue will actually help you understand what blue color she was actually telling me. So this is how we actually work on his entire wardrobe. We actually add few pieces in his wardrobe which he can actually use while he was having very much important meeting with his client. And some body language also I help him to understand, because he was actually person who was having his hands in the pocket. Whenever he was talking with me, his hand were always in his pocket. So some little bit changes in his body language also make him confident enough, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली आपके बॉडी लैंग्वेज से आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हो और आप कितने घबराए हुए हो वो समझ में आता है. सो दीज आर सम लिटिल चेंजेस आई सजेस्टेड हिम, एंड विद दैट चेंजेस ऑब्वियसली ही वर्क ऑन दोज चेंजेस. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आपको चेंज बताऊंगी एंड इट विल डन. नो, द पर्सन हैज टू फॉलो, हैज टू इम्प्लीमेंट दोज सजेशन. he actually implement each and every suggestion which I gave him, and within a year he actually could grab his what I can say dream job of senior leadership in one of the best investment company. So this is how the success story I would like to share with you.
So, Rutuja, a lot of things you have to keep consider for image consulting, right from the color, psychology, uh, dressing styles. So, how do you stay updated regarding the latest trends and techniques for building your image consulting profession?
So there are some books which actually related to fashions also, which are related to styling also. So these books actually help me keep updating with the latest trends and the classic styling also, because trends ऐसे होते हैं कि जो जल्दी से खत्म भी हो जाते हैं. So as an image consultant, I never ask my client to follow any trend. क्योंकि ट्रेंड्स ऐसे होते हैं कि हर 6 महीने के बाद वो ट्रेंड चेंज हो जाएगा, देन यू नीड टू चेंज योर वार्डरोब आल्सो. सो आई ऑलवेज आस्क माय क्लाइंट कि ट्रेंड्स के पीछे मत भागो, वार्डरोब आपकी पर्सनल स्टाइल आप डिफाइन करो, विच विल हेल्प यू टू बी वो सस्टेनेबल हो जाएगी. तो इसके रिलेटेड कुछ बुक्स है, कुछ कोर्सेज भी ऑनलाइन है. जैसे रिसेंटली दो आई एम यूजिंग द कलर एनालिसिस एंड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स, but फिर भी to keep me updated, I did one certification course also recently for the color analysis. So these certifications or some, I do follow some senior image consultants even from India also and from out of India also, means foreign also. So these image consultants actually help me to gain my knowledge, to upgrade my knowledge, because with these image consultants I had some discussions also. So ऐसे नहीं है कि सिर्फ उनके पोस्ट आप देखो या वो क्या काम कर रहे हैं वो देखो. आई हैड दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डिस्कस एंड टू टॉक टू दीज इमेज कंसल्टेंट्स एंड टू नो कि उनका सफर कैसा है, बिकॉज एवरी जर्नी एक्चुअली हेल्प यू improve yourself. So even though image consultant बहुत है, बट हर एक इमेज कंसल्टेंट की खुद की जर्नी अलग होने की वजह से I could learn something from that journey of that particular image consultant, that is actually keeping me updated on the trends, all on the education or the knowledge or the recent updates also regarding the image consulting.
Wow. Now, coming to my next question, if someone wants to get into this field of image consulting, so what advice would you give so they can there are any certification courses, what steps someone has to follow so that he is able to start his individual practice?
Okay. So first of all, image consultancy आप अगर स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो, one, obviously the certification and the knowledge will definitely help you to establish yourself, because सर्टिफिकेशन ही सब कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे इमेज कंसल्टेंट को आई सी कि दे आर like I have done this certification, so now I am set to start my business. No, your experience, your hands-on experience actually teaches you more than your certificate. So work on the clients, work with the clients, work with maybe established image consultants also. Know more about the services from them will also help them to keep them updated. Then obviously they can do the certification. Certifications are available from many now institutions in India, abroad also, and they can go for online certifications also, they can have offline certifications also. So certification, just Google and you will get n number of institutes who provide the image consulting certification. So one thing that. Second thing, when you are starting your image consulting business, डेफिनेटली ये ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने स्टार्ट किया है एंड फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट मंथ यू आर गेटिंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ क्लाइंट. नो, people are still hesitant to hire an image consultant to work on their attire. Hesitant because of कि वो ये सोचते हैं कि हाँ ड्रेसिंग के ऊपर ही तो काम करने वाले. So I will do my own dressing. Why should I hire an image consultant? So here actually the role of image consultants ये है कि make them aware why image consultants are more important. Selecting an outfit is very easy process for them also. But अगर आप ही जाके select करोगे और आपके मुताबिक वो selection होगा, तो how you will change yourself. So we are image consultants who are certified in that particular subject. That is the reason why we have more knowledge in that particular subject, and that is the reason why we can actually help you in a better way. So ये as an image consultant उनको ये awareness create करना हर एक image consultant के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. So I think as an image consultant I need to have the patience कि जल्दी से जल्दी क्लाइंट नहीं आने वाला, जल्दी से जल्दी मेरा बिजनेस एकदम से बढ़ेगा नहीं. इट विल टेक टाइम टू एस्टैब्लिश माई सेल्फ, माई ब्रांड, एंड देन बहुत टाइम ऐसे होता है इमेज कंसल्टेंट एंड स्टाइलिस्ट के ऊपर भी बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है, बिकॉज स्टाइलिस्ट डू द सेम, आपका कपड़े वो भी बनाते हैं. सो पीपल कीप फॉलोइंग यू, आपके फॉलोअर्स बहुत बढ़ सकते हैं द बेस्ड ऑन द कंटेंट, बट इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि हर फॉलोअर या हर जो आपके पोस्ट या कुछ देख रहा है ही कैन और शी कैन बी योर क्लाइंट. सो पेशेंस आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है, नॉलेज आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है, एक्सपीरियंस जितना आप गैदर करो वो आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है, एंड देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन बी अ गुड इमेज कंसल्टेंट.
Wow, superb tips. My next interesting question is, how has social media impacted the business of image consulting?
Social media is now everywhere. Every single business is impacted by social media. अगर आप social media पे नहीं हो तो people are not going to search you. Most of my clients, I can say 80% of my clients search me online, Pune based image consultant, and they got my number and they used to call me. So 80% of my client, I can say, I'm getting from social media, my website or the Google search. So yes, you need to be there, and nowadays your social media presence is equally important as of your offline presence. If you're not there on social media, you're not existed in the market indirectly. So yes, social media, again, if you are targeting or if you are planning to exist on social media, first you need to see which target audience you are actually have in your mind, because every social media handle has a different target audience. आप अगर फेसबुक में जाओगे वहां पे डिफरेंट ऑडियंस है, इंस्टाग्राम पे जाओगे वहां पे डिफरेंट ऑडियंस है, लिंक्डइन पे टोटली डिफरेंट ऑडियंस है. सो बीइंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया, ये भी मुझे बहुत ध्यान में रखना पड़ता है कि मेरी पोस्ट लिंक्डइन पे जाएगी तो वो कैसी होगी, बिकॉज हु ऑल आर गोइंग टू सी माई पोस्ट और माई वीडियो. अगर मेरा वीडियो या मेरी पोस्ट इंस्टाग्राम पे जाने वाली है तो वहां पे वो कैसी होगी. So yes, social media is one of the important, what I can say, so way for you to present yourself, your services, and reach to n number of people at the short span, I can say.
Superb, yes. It has a medium, your, what do you say, apni dukaan on social media.
हाँ, correct.
Yes. Okay. Now
बिकॉज
this,
आजकल छोटे बच्चे भी सोशल मीडिया पे सर्च करते हैं. अगर कुछ खाने के लिए जाना है तो कॉलेज बॉयज और गर्ल्स सर्च द प्लेस. सो रिव्यूज के लिए हम लोग सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर ही डिपेंडेंट रहते हैं, अदरवाइज हम लोग किसी से ऐसे जाके रिव्यूज नहीं पूछते. So yes, social media is there, social media will be there, so you need to prepare for the social media.
very true, very true. So my last question, since this is a series under Stree Shakti, so what does Stree Shakti mean to you, and what message do you want to give to women entrepreneurs out there?
So women entrepreneurs, आजकल बहुत जगह पे people are supporting women entrepreneurs. I think थोड़ी पहले ना कुछ भी स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक डर रहता है मन में कि हाउ आई कैन स्टार्ट दी journey. I have my home to handle. I have my family to manage. I have n number of work at my place, and with that, how can I start my journey? So women, but इसी की वजह से I can surely say कि women are much more powerful to handle lot of things at the same time. A woman can handle home उतने ही आसानी से और उतने ही बारीकी से हैंडल करती है जैसे उतना ही उसका बिजनेस भी वो बखूबी हैंडल कर सकती है. सो यस, व्हाट यू नीड टू स्टेप अप, कम आउट, जो भी कुछ आपके मन में है वो मन में ना रह के वो बाहर आए, किसी के साथ आप वो शेयर करें. बिकॉज ये भी मैंने देखा है कि वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है जो कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं दिमाग में या थॉट प्रोसेस में, दे आर वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बट दे आर हेजिटेंट टू आस्क हेल्प, दे आर हेजिटेंट टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. ये सोच के कि जो बाहर ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुल वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है वो क्या सोचेंगी अगर मैं ये क्वेश्चंस पूछूं. बट वो ये नहीं सोचते उन्होंने भी कहीं तो शुरुआत किया है, तो दे माइट बी ऑलरेडी हैव फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम्स एंड उस प्रॉब्लम्स के सॉल्यूशंस पास होंगे. सो रादर देन यू फेस दोस प्रॉब्लम, सी के सॉल्यूशंस क्या है ऑलरेडी जो उन्होंने यूज किए हुए. सो ये एक बहुत जरूरी बात है कि आस्क फॉर हेल्प, ask what you want, share what you want to be, share with the expert people in your domain. मतलब जैसे बहुत टाइम ये बताते हैं ना कि अगर मेरी बेटे को या बेटी को क्रिकेटर बनना है तो किसी डॉक्टर से नहीं पूछूंगी मैं कि मेरे बेटे को या बेटी को क्रिकेटर बनना है, आपकी क्या चॉइस है. सो ऑब्वियसली योर डॉक्टर विल नॉट शेयर एनी इनपुट्स ऑन द क्रिकेट पार्ट. सो अगर उसको क्रिकेटर बनना है तो बेटर किसी ऑलरेडी अच्छे क्रिकेटर के साथ वो बात करे. सेम इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट योर जर्नी रादर देन टॉकिंग टू योर फ्रेंड्स हु आर ऑलरेडी हाउसवाइफ्स, टॉक टू द पर्सन हु इज ऑलरेडी इनटू द जर्नी. दिस वे दे विल गेट द हेल्प और वो जल्दी से जल्दी उनका जर्नी स्टार्ट कर पाएंगे.
Wow, very true, very true. So, friends, we come to the next round, personal round. Let us understand Rutuja as a person. So, Rutuja, tell us about your family and your formative years.
Yes. So I'm a married. So I have another venture called Prachay Solution, जो इनिशियली पहले मैंने ही शुरुआत किया था ऑन द नेम ऑफ ग्राफिकेरा टेक्नोलॉजीज. जो जब मैंने मेरा जॉब छोड़ा था आईटी में एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड एज अ फ्रीलांसर, दैट टाइम वी हेल्प companies and the people to work on their branding, company branding, right from logo design, brochure design, website design. And then I started this image consulting. So now we are rebranding our पुराना वाला जो ग्राफिकरा टेक्नोलॉजीज है with the name of Prachay Solutions, जहाँ पे under which we are actually providing the branding solutions. So branding on a person and branding on a company. So my husband is actually handling Prachay Solutions. He is actually helping me to handle. He's helping me to reach more people on the marketing part basically, and he's also handling social media for my Prachay and my image consulting journey also. So yes, he was previously working with Bajaj, so that shift Bajaj to this and something is also वो learning phase था हम दोनों के लिए. Then I have a daughter who is in 12th now. She is interested in fashion designing, maybe because of my line I can say, because she actually sees me कि मैं कैसे बात करती हूँ कौन कौन सी. This is actually help me to update her indirectly in these corona period, because in that corona period all were ऑनलाइन घर से ही कुछ सेशन चलते थे. शी वॉज देयर विथ मी, सो वो ऑब्जर्व करती थी. तो दिस फैशन डिजाइनिंग आई थिंक उन्होंने वही से अडॉप्ट किया है, एंड नाउ शी इज वेरी मच सीरियस अबाउट गेटिंग इनटू द फैशन डिजाइनिंग डिग्री एंड एवरीथिंग. शी इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर हर 12th आल्सो एंड फॉर द फैशन डिजाइनिंग degree also.
Oh, super. So, Rutuja, how do you unwind after a busy day?
Sorry?
How do you unwind? यानी आपका दिन खत्म हो जाता है उसके
हाँ.
बाद आप किस तरह से आप अपने आप को रिलैक्स करते हो, क्या
रिलैक्स
करते
होता है. सो डेली बेसिस पे अगर है तो ऑब्वियसली कुछ अच्छे सीरीज ऑनलाइन देख के ही, अगेन आई नीड दैट फॉर नेटफ्लिक्स एंड ये उस अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे कंटेंट उस कुछ चैनल्स पे है. सो आई एंड अप सीइंग सम सीरीज है या कुछ अच्छे मूवीज आते हैं तो वो देखे. या all of us, my husband, my daughter and my the favorite thing is coffee. सो रात में कोल्ड कॉफी के लिए या तो हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं या कोल्ड कॉफी घर में ही बनाई जाती है. एंड तीनों एक्चुअली हैव चिट चैट with the cold coffee, so we have this coffee session. But I can say every night we have a coffee session at my place, जहाँ पे because we love the coffee, चाहे वो हॉट हो या कोल्ड हो, बट वी लव कॉफी. सो एक कॉफी के ऊपर आई थिंक हमारा दिन क्लोज हो जाता है.
Wow, that's really so coffee with coffee. So now,
Yes.
Rituja, who's the most influential person in your life और उसने क्या impact किया आपके life में?
So I can say a particular one influenced person in my life. There are many influential people around me, right from एक सब्जी वाला भी. The sabzi wala also influenced me the way he actually grow his business from one thela to a tempo. We have a sabzi wale kaka at my Maika who used to come with the little topli type, and now he has a entire big tempo. So he also is a inspiration for me कि छोटे छोटे चीजें करके अभी उन्होंने खुद का एक बड़ा टेम्पो लिया है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो एन अचीवमेंट. ऑब्वियसली हर एक की अचीवमेंट अलग अलग होती है, बट इट इज अचीवमेंट फॉर दैट पर्सन. सो एवरी person around me who is doing something different is a influential person for me, and I keep looking for such persons. I keep uh, I keep looking for the opportunity to meet those people and could learn, understand their journey and could learn from that journey.
Yes, very true, very true. So Rituja, what hobbies or creative interest you enjoy doing?
So listening music is one of the hobby also you can say, and the relaxation means अगर मैं बहुत tense हूँ और बहुत bore हुई हूँ all time, कैसे भी emotions हो, the music actually help me to get out of that emotion. Specifically old music or the Hindustani classical, not very classical way, but the songs which are based on Hindustani classical, some old classic songs or Marathi songs also actually help me get out of that particular emotion. अगर वो अच्छा इमोशन है हैप्पी वाला तो वो ऑब्वियसली और हैप्पीनेस देता है. बट इफ आई एम फीलिंग वेरी लो, वेरी सैड, देन डेफिनेटली वो म्यूजिक हेल्प मी टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट जोन.
Wow. So Rituja, how do you keep in touch with your friends?
विथ माई फ्रेंड्स
Yes.
कभी कभी बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज आई नो फ्यू ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स हु कीप having some get togethers, and because of some work, because my work is something कि मैं हर टाइम वीकेंड्स पे ज्यादा बिजी रहती हूँ, because my clients are available at weekends rather than weekdays, because those clients are working. So weekdays में I don't schedule, I schedule but in the evening again. So whenever my friends are planning something, either I am having some sessions or either I am having I am with my client. So कभी कभी ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, बट स्टिल आई ट्राई टू मैनेज. अगर मुझे पहले, मैं उनको बताती हूँ कि अगर मुझे थोड़े पहले से बताओ कि इस महीने में हम लोग ये तारीख को मिल रहे हैं, तो आई कुड एक्चुअली मैनेज माई कैलेंडर और शेड्यूल अकॉर्डिंगली. बट येस, rather than friends, actually I managed to have my time for my family more. So उस फैमिली के रिलेटेड जो भी कुछ क्लोज फ्रेंड्स है उनको ऑटोमेटिकली वो टाइम दे दिया जाता है.
Wow. So now Rituja, from your bucket list, आपने कोई एक bucket list बनाए रहेंगे for 2024.
Okay.
So, ये साल में आप क्या क्या करना चाहते हो? Now there are only ये 6 months remaining. So क्या करना चाहेंगे?
So एक तो color analysis is one area I want to have focus on, because अगर आप देखो बाहर abroad color analysis अभी बहुत चलता है. Like I know some people who actually कोरिया में जाते हैं, just have that color analysis and come back. So there are some people, so color analysis के ऊपर अभी मेरा focus है. I want to make people aware about color analysis and make them do that analysis for themselves and see the difference. So definitely ये एक मेरा आगे का एक focus area है. Then I wanted to work with women. या तो वो उनकी second inning start कर रहा है ब्रेक के बाद. सो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के साथ मुझे काम करना है, वो एक है. एंड वुमेन जो अभी जिन्होंने अभी उनका फर्स्ट बेबी हुआ है या सेकेंड बेबी हुआ है, एंड दे आर बिकॉज व्हेन वी वुमेन हैव अ चाइल्ड, ऑब्वियसली हमारा मेंटली फिजिकली एवरीथिंग चेंजेस अ लॉट, और वो चेंज कोप अप करना कभी कभी बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, स्पेसिफिकली थ्रू योर माइंडसेट. क्योंकि ऑल थिंग अगेन एज आई सेड, ऑल थिंग कम्स इन योर फ्रॉम योर माइंडसेट ओनली. So I want to help those women who are actually going through such changes.
Wow. So my last question, describe Rutuja in one line.
Yeah. Rutuja in one line. Rutuja is one line. So Rutuja is a person who you can trust, who are more who are happy with your success in your journey, and who will make sure you will be happy with my services.
Wow. So let's go to the fun rapid fire round. My first question, favorite color for confidence?
Favorite color red.
Morning person or night?
Morning person.
Prefer style icon?
Style icon, Deepika Padukone. She has a good taste of style.
Wow. Your favorite food dish?
Any sweet dish.
Okay. Favorite travel place?
Favorite travel, I've been to Ireland and I love the place.
Wow. Favorite book?
Favorite book, How to Win Friends and Influence People.
Okay. Your favorite movie?
फेवरेट मूवी बहुत है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि हर एक मूवी का रीजन अलग होता है मेरे लिए. रिसेंटली आई सॉ हीरा मंडी. ऑब्वियसली इट इज नॉट अ मूवी, बट आई सॉ द entire series for the costumes, the body language, the etiquette, everything. So I really love that series.
Yes, that's true. Yes, everyone acted in their own unique way.
Correct.
Yes. Your what do you say? Favorite dress?
My favorite dress is Punjabi actually, but nowadays I am more into Western outfits.
Okay. So, Rituja, you did well, and you are the winner of this ebook from Niches to Delicious, the importance
so
of having a niche in your business.
Sure,
So,
sure.
friends,
Thank
we
you
had
so
a
much.
lovely conversation with Rutuja, and she is a Sri Shakti, and lot of insights about image consulting business she shared, and how to have your unique individual brand, your personal brand. So do watch this episode. You will get a lot of insight. Those who want to connect with Rutuja, watch this episode. You will have her details. And there are lots of guest speakers on our Coffee Corner show. Do click subscribe to the bell icon, and you will get to see with 100 plus episodes over there and the different series. So friends, we had a lovely time. So thank you, Deepika. Sorry, Rutuja. Deepika is coming up because she's a favorite style icon. Mine also. Yes, she has a unique style of dressing and
Correct.
for movies. Also, she has a unique movies collection where she's acted.
Correct.
So thank you, Rutuja.
Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting on this coffee session, and I'd love to share my thoughts. Hope लोगों को भी ये थोड़े इससे भी कुछ मिले. I actually gone through some of your series also, और उसमें से भी उनके जर्नी से भी मुझे कुछ ना कुछ मिला है लर्न करने के लिए. So I'm very happy I am here on your show, and very all the best for your future shows.
Yeah, thank you.